Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Embrantie mienu bi akwakodi nsem bi na far back as 2017 no mkoya ade we. You sure say by this time na wo mokra wo mo adwen efri so. Ende ya chi wo mo atu mo a wo mutu no wo mo ko serve 5 years e wo prison. Students or university students and there wo mo aso ayehye. Now me the court nsensem ne be brel emse jaja wodi assembly so no medinidin ebebro but embranche aye kom ho asemi ba kudin e the Desmond Appleton and the other person so din e the Elvin Nana Kofi Boakye Agyemang na ababawa no 2017 na wedi 14 years they see here and say eye Boakye Agyemang yi Elvin Nana Kofi okọ secondary school bi say wo kwa akoton t-shirts na what ton t-shirt ni mo na em say wo hu ababa wo yi a kyerese ne nije ne ho oje ne number wodu fie no ne kasa wo mo twetwe nkomo ena em say wo ne ababa wa ne kan ya na ababa wa ne beti ase ma no minim say ababa wa ne bebu do ema ono Boakye na nti Boakye ne katre ababa wa ne say one send no ne eye naked videos and pictures obanso asabi we di 14 a wo ye teenager a wo hu say we bu do ono nso wo say ne ye o send naked pictures no any videos no o send ma Boakye now Boakye no so na down for pan any Desmond Appleton it was send pictures no any videos no Emma Boakye no na Boakye so e forward ye Emma Desmond Appleton yi na etie for me nim de si ye Desmond Appleton so hu ne say da bi wono so e wo say wono so yi ne die film meaning say Boakye woni ababa wa ne da yo say den yo that one I can't tell now Desmond so inside can video no any pictures na em so no so so ne kon so say so ne dem e do ne kon e na woji ababa wa ne number e wo Boakye ho e na Desmond ni e hia ase say wo blackmail ababa wa ne ti Desmond na SNA ababa wa no ni naked video Emma ababa wa na e wo Telegram ho ena Desmond ne katra ababa wa ne say we hu say me wo naked video say wonim na wan say ne more amamia meliki ababa wa nsu suro young girl teenager wo SHS meaning say that time no okay they didn't say but me na make say 14 years na ebia betumi abaka say no ni SHS but 14 years sometimes some more JSS some more SHS Inti Desmond Appleton ni ekatra ababa wa no osene ababa wa ni naked video ababa wa ne fi se wa ono asene ama Boakye no se e wo Desmond ni nsem na Desmond ni sene naked video no ema ababa wa ne se hey so wan sene me more a me liki ababa wa ne susuro e no sene more ema Desmond owo ha na Desmond asanso ababiom esanso person blackmail no ena ababa wa na kasa be hu se dabi chale sa de we pa se wanye bibia mfa ho a forever Desmond ne de be blackmailing na ono ababa wa no ebia ebedu se wo be ba be ware ne kra no na still Desmond e de blackmailing no nti de ababa wa ne ye ne se obe delete Telegram no nti delete app na no mo chat wo so no nti ono de we delete app no ani bibia fast forward 2020 ye be ha ne se video na Boakye no esene ye ema Desmond Appleton ni Desmond Appleton na nkasa sanso sene sa video na wode ma baba wade blackmail no ebe ha ne video no eda eye Empress League now obi o Ghana emse mo amunim sa nyama ni wo Ghana be anim se eba naked pictures ni sa naked videos ni sa sex tapes na eya na Empress League wo mo edit to ebe ha ne sa baba wa we 2020 a we di 17 years 3 years ababa kan wi wono na trese sa ne video no eda eye Empress League asembe ni na afi e wo se na wofo ebem na wofo be mu police nsensem be mu na ye we ya na baba wa ne ka se eye video we ya na me send ye nipa ba ko pe na you see and it is very easy na ka baba wa ne send sa video na man crofo be ye 10 na ene de wo hu onikra wo leaky video no but eye nipa ba ko pe eno send video no ma which was eye Boakye Agyemang Elvin Nana Kofi nti wana baba wana nso okatra na wo for say oh video no 3 years ago Boakye ena me send ma no now so they see and say sa video na eye Desmond Appleton ni wo de ebe blackmail me nti me sure say Boakye na send ma eye Desmond ni na che say wo mo e de call police station cyber crime units etiefo enye easy cyber crime unit for ebedudo asem ni mo esuko police impanyifo bedudo mu na che say yakwache eye Desmond ni ene Boakye. And luckily enough, the police were able to retrieve the messages not Desmond ni was sending Emma Ababa wana say what they blackmailing no. They were also able to retrieve messages between Desmond and Boakye. Who says Boakye na say was sending video ni ma Desmond na mpa because the bit me by say bia na Desmond no ni phone akwa say me sure say Desmond the class na bia wo beka tra Ababa wa no bia no beka tra Ababa wa no say ni phone say ena say obi repair no na we inti police for ebe mu be investigation omo hu say omo ye nanfofo na wo mo a chat about no kra inti Boakye no share that send video no ema Desmond no etiefo na enye easy na Desmond ni embra wo blackmail Ababa one na say no throw inti was send 10 good photographs of her nude. Desmond Appleton ni Ababa one send 10 good photographs of her nude Emma or no Desmond ni. But he was still demanding for more. I said that be 10 no and so no. He was demanding for more. Therefore, na ne ma mekra no Ababa one ne ma mekra no enye se wo yo obi a social media no wonam ho sa Empress League ni we no enye se obi a onim ensem ekoso wo ho. Trese omu teacher bi a wa kire Ababa wa na ade da e na trese wo ko hu video no wo Empress League e na teacher ne frame ame no July yemu teacher ne frame ame ne bo bo na mane say hey madam say ni oba ni video da ha ansa ne ye confront akola ne mpo de ne maame ne we no mo mu nim de esi teacher ne frɛ bo amane say ono send me link ana mu hu video no hu so okay e was say yema police for ebem actually say wo mo call lodge complaint with cyber crime units e was CID headquarters police investigation and wo mo kwache eye Appleton ene Boakye na during interrogation no and actually say wo mo a omonumuto e ka say ne kre yes video ni we no Boakye no send ma Appleton no omo ye forensic examination sanso hu say yes threatening messenger na Appleton no was sending ama Ababa wa na kra no the messages they were still able to retrieve them and e dey omo court inti judge na wo di asem no e wo court no send am din control na Accra Circuit Court e na asem ye kokodi judge na wo di asem no your friend Miss Abena Opon Agindoku actress waka say nkrofo yi pa okay mo de na ke wo say me ma mudem mo serve the full sentence because em say enyama bi sa no Ghana ha say there is a full sentence for it na ke wo say me ma mo serve the full sentence be san say mo ye students e wo university eya mo first time you've been on record for committing an offense like this ninti wo de me ma baako akodem eya wo Appleton no una wo threaten Ababa wa ne nyama wo kodem for 3 years na Nana Kofi Boakye Agyemang unso na wo ko sene eye video no ema Appleton ma o de koye threat one sene a anka se mu nia ensi unso kodem for 2 years tende amene wo ka sei o mo aso ayeshi university na wo mo ko no I don't know whether they will defer or not Wasayeshi nsɛm bi wɔ hɔ wodwen ho kra wonte ase ye to be the won say oye mmebunu a nsɛm bi wɔ hɔ to me di agro hu ne say police into me mbem. I mean 14-year-old Adam for sending the nude. And I'll not say things like this, no. I'll not act like it doesn't happen. It happened. Me, I am a youth. Yeah, I can tell you for a fact. Me one down for phobia. It told the beer. Over call my phone so no more they are trail. Ebia wo ba bia wo mo ne ye we no de oba ne nude aye den a trail. But an interest me nso me nkwache na me interest no ba no da bi. O se ne ba me phone so kra me delete. Me hwe wi a me delete. Because me pass them. Ebi ana wo phone akwa akoyera na obi abefa waso be hye. Waso be hye papa. It's a mesro yen fentu ye hofo. Mbrantie, you are seeing their picture. Very, very young guys. Very young guys. I have some more. Montreal, comment box no more. That's it for Medasi.